Today's tip is a little post-production. So here's a final image, and I used Photoshop, some color grading and such, but I also, for final touches, I like to put some variability to my images so they're not so clean. So I have this script here, a series of scripts. So they're called, it's a Lumist plugin. There's a live map. This is really cool. It analyzes your scene and it color codes it from 0 to 10, 10 being the brightest. So the brightest part of the images is right here in the clouds, which is fine. And then there's scripts that you can use this information with. For instance, I often like to do a ghost light. So what that does is it kind of adds some dodge and burn to your image. And then I dial the opacity way down to, let's say, 40. So toggling it back on and off, you can see the effect it has. I'm going to dial it down to 20. So these effects are really subtle. And then I like to use another one called Beauty Dish. And that's already set to be 65 opacity. Which I think is good. I'm going to dial it down to 50%. So I'm going to take that luminous total map, and then let's see if I can put these two in a group. So that's before, which I think is really good, and that's after, which I think is better. And then I go ahead and I flatten it. Hope that helps.